What's up? What's up? This is my Traeger Day recipe video. Guys, I have a Traeger and I thought I would throw my hat in the ring for what I think is the best thing you can cook on a Traeger. And believe it or not, it's not meat. This little dessert was actually incredible. I'm not even sure what I should be calling it. It's like a peanut butter fluff chocolate chip bar, smoked using that wood-fired oven. Holy cow, guys, this one was seriously next level. So let's go through absolutely everything here. I'm going to start by just listing off the ingredients. We have half a cup of melted butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a half a cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 a cup of marshmallow fluff, and then optionally you can hit it with half a cup of chocolate chips on the top, and I highly recommend you do. So we're going to start. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And as you can see at the very beginning there, we're going to mix our melted butter with the brown sugar, stir in an egg, vanilla, and peanut butter. And then you're going to end up with this little mixture here, okay? So we're going to fold in the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Then, once you have this mixture all kind of, I don't know, mixed together, incorporated is probably the right word, then we're going to spread it onto a baking pan. That's really important. Just about, cover the entire size of that pan. So I used an 8x8 baking pan, and that's what I recommend you use for this recipe. So we're just going to spread it out all over the bottom. Now, guys, I need you to understand this is a little bit sticky. It's very peanut buttery, but that flour mellows it out, but it's still a little bit sticky. So do your best. Try and get it covered in every little nook and cranny here as a nice little base layer. Then we're going to dollop some marshmallow fluff all over it. This is one of those parts where you just got to be patient. The marshmallow fluff is super sticky, so I definitely recommend wearing some little gloves. But basically, what we want to do is put 4 good dollops on there. And then you can use like a knife or the back of the spoon that you did. And we're going to just make this little like design pattern, like swirling it lightly. So put whatever design you want here, like I was saying, and then we're going to go in with those chocolate chips and give that just a quick top. Personally, I think the chocolate chips are a must, but they technically are optional. Now, like I said, we had the Traeger Woodridge Pro fired up to 350 degrees, and we're going to bake this for about 30 minutes, basically until it becomes golden. Then all you have to do is pull it off. Like that was it, guys. So you make the mixture, you put it in your baking sheet or your tray, and then you just put it out onto the smoker and you just let it run for about 30 minutes. You'll notice it just kind of solidifying. As time goes on, those chocolate chips will kind of like melt into the mixture. Oh man, guys, talk about ooey gooey deliciousness. Look, if you own a Traeger and you're not baking on it, this has to be your first try. Look at this pull right here. Like if you want to talk about ooey gooey delicious dessert, this is the conversation I want to be having with you. Oh man, talk about scrumptious. I mean, look at these little squares. They look delightful. That one I just showed you there was the centerpiece. It was a little more ooey gooey, but the sides, they're holding together beautifully. This is unreal. And if you serve this up to anyone, they're going to be blown away. Look, show your wife this video. Just let her know she can be using that pellet smoker that you bought as well. Guys, look, this dessert was delicious. Happy Traeger Day. I hope you're having a good time out there on the barbecue, relaxing, maxing, and enjoying yourself. As always, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Man, oh buddy, if you have liked and subscribed, thanks again. Take care, stay safe, and remember, make yourself a delicious dessert on that pellet smoker.